Is your fridge on the fritz or dryer refusing to spin? Look no further than Eagle Eye Appliance Repair. Serving Spring, Tomball, Katy, Cypress, and beyond, we've got you covered for every appliance issue. From refrigerators and washers to ovens and ice makers, we handle it all. Our skilled team will make your appliance problems disappear quickly and efficiently, ensuring everything runs smoothly again. For reliable, local service that treats your home like it's our own, choose Eagle Eye. Give us a call today and let's get things working perfectly.